In this section, we are going to be looking at publicity for authors, and I'm going to be walking you through some strategies that you don't want to miss. But fear of being wrong. Think about those times where people have asked you questions and you responded, and they're like, well, that's not right. How do you know that? Well, tell me, where did you find that information? Have you ever had that happen to you? Yeah, and how does that make you feel? You kind of feel put off, or maybe you get defensive and maybe you react because, yeah, your ego, right, is being questioned and they're questioning your authority on that subject. Well, how do you know that? Well, that's what keeps a lot of authors from actually engaging in publicity. And as we continue on with this section, I want you to know that you are the expert in your space. And again, as you have been implementing all of the activities and exercises, mini projects, as you've been moving along, you're feeling a lot more confident, aren't you? Because the fear of being wrong will stop you from doing the little things that are going to move the needle for you, that are going to move you forward. And they're really, that fear of being wrong is going to stop you from reaching out to the people that actually want to support you because it's in their best interest. Remember, it's that win-win situation. So we're going to look at 5 strategies, 5 simple strategies, and I'm going to be sharing with you some examples that have worked and a strategy that really does move the needle and something that's so simple and so easy, and it really will help you connect with people that want to know more from you. Again, you get to look over my shoulder. Remember, this is all very much hands-on tutorial. You get to see the best practices and what you should be doing. And again, I'm going to be sharing with you a free resource that you don't want to miss out on. Lots of opportunities to implement, right? The activities, exercises, mini project, inch by inch, it's a cinch. By the yard, it's hard. And I want you to be following along with me as I'm sharing with you so much. I'm writing those notes. And because like I said, I want you to be successful. And I'm just giving you the essential information. Because if you make it too hard, you're not going to do it. Again, I'm your instructor, Louise Ann Maurice, founder of 90 Day Guru e-learning. Make sure you're reaching out with any questions that you have. Let's continue.